Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I will explain the fast track visa processing for some temporary visa holders whose occupation comes under critical sectors and some state nomination updates. First we will see the visa types which comes under this temporary visa holders occupation. First one is subclass 457 which is temporary skilled work visa. Next one temporary skilled shortage visa which is subclass 482. Third one is subclass 494 which is skilled employer sponsored regional visa. Now we will see what is this fast track visa processing and what is it about. So this is for temporary visa holders for critical sectors only. So this occupation list is called Priority Migration Skilled Occupation List, which is in short called PMSOL. So this is for visa holders who have been sponsored by an Australian business in a PMSOL occupation list, and this is for priority skill list to lure back temporary visa holders who have been stranded overseas by the pandemic, which is the current prevailing COVID-19 situation. Next, anyone granted an exception for this visa will still need to complete 14 days of quarantine at their own expense after reaching Australia. So this is basically for key health workers who can help fight the virus, and for skilled migrants who are going to be job multipliers to help the Australian economy recover. And they are going to provide the skills and training for Australians to fill those skill gaps, because basically this temporary visa holders cannot fill all those skill shortages, right? So they have to provide this required skills and training for Australians to fill those skill shortages. Next, cap of around only 4,000 travelers will be allowed returning each week in order to ease pressure on quarantine facilities in Australia. That is, only 4,000 travelers will be allowed to travel to Australia each week. In addition to the current requirements of 2 national advertisements, employers must also advertise their vacancy on the government's Job Active website. So before sponsoring any applicant, the employer has many requirements to fulfill. So this is about the employer requirement. In addition to the other requirements, they have to post an advertisement in Job Active website, which is owned by government, mentioning the opening. So currently the list has 17 occupations. So this list will be updated as and when the immigration department gets the update. First one is Chief Executive or Managing Director. Next, Construction Project Manager. That is 133,111. Third, Mechanical Engineer 233,512. General Practitioner 253,111. Resident Medical Officer 253,112. Psychiatrist 253,411. Developer Programmer 261,312. Software Engineer 261,313. Maintenance Planner 312,911. Medical Practitioner 253,999. Midwife 254,111. Registered Nurse Aged Care 254412. Registered Nurse Critical Care and Emergency 254415. Registered Nurse Medical 254418. Registered Nurse Mental Health 254422. Registered Nurse 254423. Registered Nurse 254499. So these are the 17 occupations. So only people who comes under these occupations, and they have to be sponsored by an Australian business to get the invitation. Now we will see some updates about state nomination, which is subclass 190 and subclass 491. So these are the allocations until the end of October on which the federal budget will happen in Australia. So these are the official state allocation for the interim period of 1st July 2020 to 31st October 2020. For ACT, 250 for 190, 45 for 491. For New South Wales, 550 for 190, 150 for 491. For Victoria, 600 for 190, 200 for 491. For Queensland, 200 for 190, 200 for 491. NT, 80 for 190, 80 for 491. For WA, 200 for 190, 40 for 491. SA, 300 for 190, 600 for 491. For TAS, 250 for 190, 400 for 491. So in total, 2,430 for 190 visa and 1,715 for 491 visa. So these allocations apply until 31st of October 2020. So after that, they may revise these allocations. So we already saw these updates. Just a highlight of this state and territory updates. State and territories have received a very small allocation of places until the federal budget, which will happen on 6th of October 2020. So until then, very strict conditions have been imposed on the occupations to get the invitation. This may only be used for occupations that are critical to the COVID economic recovery. So please do share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will post regular updates about Australian immigration and PTE academic. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.